Welcome to Guiding Bolt. Today I'm going to show you how to make your fabrics look like new using a fabric shaver. So I have the Buterel fabric shaver. I got this online for about $15. I'll drop a link down below in the description so you can pick up your own. But in front of me here, I'm not sure the camera will pick it up, so I'll put a static image. But the left-hand sleeves have not been shaved, while the right-hand sleeves have been shaved. And it's a night and day difference viewing that in person between the two sides. The sides that have been shaved are nice and smooth and are clean looking, while the currently unshaved sides are still full of the little lint balls that kind of accumulate on fabric over time as you wear them and wash them. So my specific fabric shaver is actually really easy to use. It comes with two different speed settings as well as different thickness and thinness for different types of fabrics. So if you have a fluffier or fuzzier fabric, you would turn it to the thick setting, and that means the distance between the blade and where it's resting on your fabric is a little bit deeper. If you turn it to the thin side, or if you pull the spacer off completely, it decreases that depth and you get a much closer shave. So your setting will depend upon the type of fabric you're using. My black cardigan there is a merino wool. I used a speed of 2 and no spacer at all. And then my green sweater is about 70%, I think it's viscose, and 30% nylon. And I used a speed setting of 1 and no spacer. The green one is a much thinner, more delicate fabric compared to the wool, which is a stronger fabric. Let me give you a quick tutorial on how to use the fabric shaver. You're going to hold it flat and flush with your fabric. You want a firm and steady pressure, but you don't need to be physically like pushing down into the fabric. You want to have your fabric laid out flat on a smooth, hard surface like a tabletop, and you want to make sure it's free from wrinkles so that the device doesn't accidentally catch it and tear your fabric at all. I have found it helpful to kind of stretch my fabric and hold it taut as I'm moving the device back and forth. So you'll continue like that across your garment wherever you have those lint balls that have formed, depending upon the size of your garment and how many lint balls there are collected on it. It'll take maybe 5 to 10 minutes per sweater. Keep an eye on your fill thing here. You don't want it to ever get about more than 3/4 full. This simply pops off and is easy to dump into the trash can. So I hope this tutorial was helpful and you guys are able to restore your sweaters and shirts back to like new condition. Thanks for watching and have a great day.